Hey Cruiser, welcome back to Chris Craft. I'm Josh Wells, and today we are adding an hour meter to our generator for good old Stargazer. If you like DIY boat repair, I so implore you to like and subscribe down below. All right, let's get started. We're installing an hour meter so that we know when it's time to change the oil, which should be done about every 20 hours. It's just a meter that kicks on when your spark plug activates to track how long your generator's been running. It's kind of like an odometer for a car. To install a new hour meter, you'll need a few things. You're going to need a drill bits, a pen, screwdriver, zip ties, and an hour meter. What we're going to do is we're going to install it right here, or at least this is the plan to go right here, so that it's near the button and the new switch that we put in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it where I think I want it. And so I marked a little dot with a pen right there. Because what happens is we're going to have to drill a little hole, because this isn't a vibrate one. This is going to hook to the spark plug so that when the spark plug goes, it'll catch the voltage and then start this. So your spark plug is just a push button, and then this comes right up. And it's right here. So the spark plug itself is right here. And so this attaches to the boot right in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap that little black wire right there. It should be pretty exciting to stick this around that and not have it come off. I think I'm just going to pull this out, wrap this bad boy around. So they're recommending to do this. We're going to wrap around here quite a ways. After I'm done wrapping it, I'll show you. That might just be the easiest thing to do. And I'll just cut off the excess. Put 4 or 5 twists into it, just so it has a good attachment. And then because this is going to go underneath, I'm actually going to do this bad boy here like that. And then what I'm going to do is just move this thing close to here. I have a black zip tie, which I'm going to go like this and zip tie it. So that's pretty loose. It's not going to do what I want. It's going to do nothing to what I want. It's going to vibrate off. So that's not going to work, but for today it will. So then what we should do is test it. So then put it on, make sure it does work. Remember, on and choke off, and then okay, so it started to flash, so we know it's working, we know it's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it knowing I don't have all the components right, but we're still going to install it so that we know that it works. The thing we have to do is unscrew the front again so you can see it. So just take this off, let's put that back there, and grab your handy dandy drill. Okay, so very quickly so you want to get as many of those little pieces off as you can. You don't want to leave these in the engine. This wire, let's just get to the end of it here. So I'm going to go through the back here because it's all open. It's going to go through the back, pull this to the front, leaving this to be, what I'll do, I'm going to zip tie it again here so that I have 1, 2 zip ties, maybe even 3 to go around the spark plug. And then I'm just going to stick it through the hole that I made. So went through the hole. You get caught on anything. It's not knotted. There it is. So am I above everything? And I'm above everything. I'm not near anything. And I'm going to cut this bad boy off. So I'm going to leave just a little extra in here, and then I'm going to set this bad boy in here. that so you can't see it. Make sure it's all safe. All I did was leave it so that it didn't come all the way out to the end so I can hide that screw. And what I did back here is wrapped it around 5 times and then zip tied it. And I'll cut this off later. And now I'm going to put 2 tiny little screws right here. All cleaned up here. We have a new meter, big unit. So I attached it here and here. And if you look here, it's coiled. It runs underneath to the meter. Thanks for joining us today, Cruiser. We love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below to keep up with our latest DIY projects. Until next time, I'm Josh Wells, and remember, they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but dolphins learn from each other all the time. Be a dolphin. See you soon, Cruiser.